Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add, subtract, multiply decimals. Division on the next video. On the GED test, you will see these numbers in word problems. First thing you have to do, write them vertically. Then line up the decimal point. This is the key point. Line up the decimal point. Then add the numbers normally. Before that, always add zeros as a placeholders. Now I'm going to start from right to left, regular addition. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 0 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 9 is 11, plus 2 that's 13. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2 that's 7. Then 4 plus 0 is 4. Then I will bring down the decimal point. So the answer will be 47.3011. The key point is this, to line up. Line up the decimal point. Same thing we do for subtraction. I will write the numbers vertically, line up the decimal point, then subtract the numbers normally. Here I will add 0 as a placeholder. So 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 2 is 4, 7 minus 0 is 7, 4 minus 2 is 2. Then I will bring the decimal point. The answer is 2.745. For the multiplication is a little bit different. First, you need to ignore the decimal point. So here you have 2.65 times 3.1. In my head, I will do 265 times 31. So ignore the decimal point. Then at the answer at the end, I will put the decimal point. How? Count how many numbers after a decimal point. So first, you do this. So we're going to do the multiplication of 265 times 31 first. So you have here 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2. Then 3 times 5 is 15, carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18, carry the 1, that's 19. 3 times 2 is 6, add 1, that's 7. Now if I add these, I will get this answer here. Now in the answer, I need to move the decimal point to the left by total number of places. Where I can get them is from here. So here I have 2 numbers after a decimal point. So I'm going to write 2 in here. Then here I have 1 number after the decimal point. I'm going to write 1. Add them, 3. So 3 places. So this one here, 3 places. So I am gonna move the decimal point to the left. It's always go to the left. 3 decimal places. So here is 1, 2, 3. Again, when you do a regular multiplication without decimal point, you're gonna get an answer. The answer has a decimal point. Where to find it? By counting how many places, how many numbers are after the decimal point in each rows. So this row has 2. This row has 1. Add them, give you 3. 3. So here I'm going to move to the left. Remember, to the left. So let's do this one here. So I have 1065 times 322. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 13 carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0 and 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Here, either I would put 0, leave it empty, put an arrow down, whatever you like, as long as you know how to do multiplication. Again, 2 times 5 is 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1, that's 13. 2 times 0 is 0, add 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Again, 3 times 5 is 15. 5, then carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Carry the 1. 3 times 0 is 0, then add 1. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Just here, make sure you line up everything, please. Make sure you line up everything so you don't make a mistake. Because I have seen many students, they know how they understand this rule very well. They know how to do multiplication, but they make a mistake either here or when carrying out the ones in here. So I'm going to do addition. 0, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 9 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, then 3. Now, the places. Here, I have 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 places. Here, I have 1, 2. So I'm going to write 2, then add them. Will give me 5. 5, so I'm going to come to here. Then start from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer. Just remember, line up everything correctly. Then the last answer is going to have a decimal point. Where you get it from? By counting the places, the numbers after the decimal point. And I will see you guys on the next video.